Tons of toys, thank you for joining us. Today we have our magic microwave and we are going to see if we can bring some Paw Patrol characters to life by putting the color of Play-Doh that they are in our magic microwave. Let's get started. So let's see what happens when we put brown and yellow into our magic microwave. Let's see who we got. We have Rubble. We have a Rubble Mashem. He's stretchy, squishy. Yay, Rubble. Rubble is brown and yellow, just like the Play-Doh we put in our magic microwave. Rubble, let's dig it. What Paw Patrol character do you think we're gonna get when we put gray and green into our magic microwave? Let's see who we have. We have Rocky. Here's Rocky. He has a gray fur and green hats, just like our gray and green Play-Doh that we put in our magic microwave. Rocky, how are you? He's so squishy and stretchy. Rocky loves to recycle and clean up the environment. Don't lose it, reuse it. Thank you, Rocky. Now let's see who we get when we add blue and brown. Who do you think this will make? Look what we have here. Our blue and brown Play-Doh turned into Chase. Hi, Chase. Chase has brown fur and has his blue police hat and blue vest. He is a police dog. Chase is on the case. Now let's see who we get when we add white and red. Who do you think this will be? Who did we get? Look, it is Marshall, our fire dog. He is a Dalmatian. He has white fur with black dots and a red hat and red vest. There's Marshall. I'm fired up. Now let's put in some brown and orange. Who do you think we're going to get? Oops. Let's see, it is Zuma. Zuma is our water dog. He has a brown body, brown fur, and an orange helmet and orange vest. Hi, Zuma. He is also a Mashem. He's bendy, twisty. Let's dive in. Thanks, Zuma. We have one more. Let's see who we get when we have a light brown, tan color, and a bright pink. Who do you think we're going to get? Look who we got. It's Sky. Sky has light brown hair, pink goggles, and a pink vest. Sky is our flying dog. She's a pilot and she does air rescues. Let's take to the sky. Thank you for joining us at Tons of Toys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And please, put a comment below with your favorite Paw Patrol character in today's video.